Hey everyone, so I have this Mitsubishi TV, and when I plug it in, all I hear is the degausser, but then the power button doesn't actually turn on the TV. So anyway, I'm going to plug it in. You can see what happens here. Okay, as you hear that degausser, this is the power button down here. I push the power button. Nothing turns on. Also, when it turns on, there's a green light over here. So yeah, it's just like the tube is just not powering on. And then same thing when I unplug the cord, it makes a little clicking noise. Did you hear that? I assume that's something discharging. But yeah, anyway, I was working a few months ago and then I was busy and I haven't turned it on for maybe 2 months. And yeah, I tried to turn it on a few days ago and it's just not working anymore. So anyway, if anyone has any ideas of what could be the problem, I'd really appreciate any help. Thanks.